me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you're moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they running and asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, you drop kick. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10.
What's up, boys? First practice day here at Mountain Creek.
Doing all right.
Leroy almost just destroyed himself.
Oh, yeah. But I didn't. I came close, but I didn't.
You guys should see it in there. Probably looked a little far away, but within an inch from destroying his shoulder on that tree. So we're glad he's alive. I took a little bit of a spill yesterday. I don't know if you can see.
Oh yeah.
Stupid little over the bars. Just annoying. What do you guys think of the track?
Track is fun.
It's dusty.
So glad I'm not on a single crown today. Those guys look miserable and they're all asking me how I like my downhill bike, so.
Yeah, so new bike day for me on the Raw, new bike day for Raj on the TR11, but all the parts aren't stock anymore. What happened?
The rim made it 2 runs. 2 runs.
That's a
yeah,
classic Stan's move. So we're just learning the track, kind of chilling, watching some people, and yeah, just having fun. You going, Tristan?
Oh, go for it.
You're gonna catch me, man.
Hey?
You're gonna catch me.
Nah, dude, no worries, bro. You got the new bike.
Yeah.
You're ripping.
It's supposed to be faster, right? Ooh. Dude, we used to come in.
Yeah, Leaping did it beautifully.
Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho. Oh. Well,
I think that's a good way to do it.
what you thinking, bud?
Yeah. It doesn't look that bad, man.
I don't think so either. But people are jumping, I think, too far right.
Yeah.
Like right where he went, a little further right. Because the further right you jump, the longer you're making it for yourself.
But honestly,
Like I saw one dude go right over like the side of those rocks.
Yeah.
It looked super good.
I don't know.
where he landed up here, you mean?
Not bad.
You're going for it, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well,
Watch him do it. Leroy, you wait for us in the field?
Yep.
All right.
oh my god. Not bad. How did I look?
Like a duster.
Good. That's how I felt.
You were holding pretty consistent and average speed with the rest of the field. There were a few folks that were just
Ripping.
They were cooked, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, there's that. Felt like I learned a few things on my little track walk. Had a good time. Had a real good time.
How did your guys' practice go?
It went well. Roger and I counted 2 laps and had to take a water break because of our arm pump. It was ridiculous. Like, by the time I got my second lap down to the bottom, my hand pump was so bad, my hands were swelling themselves off of the grips.
Did you guys do full pulls?
Yeah. Then we had some water, stretched out a little bit.
How
went
many
back up
runs
for some
did you
more.
guys do?
3.
3. I did 4.
You did 4.
I did 4.
That's what makes you a pro.
I don't know about that. No, I was just battling with suspension since we were riding a little harder today.
Yeah.
My shock, I came back after my 3rd run, put air in my fork and my shock, went back out, and it was a lot better, but I still had to put more in my shock because I'm just, it's just blowing
You
through.
were clapping her?
I was clapping her.
Yeah, that's not what you want, bud.
I mean, it feels good, but definitely need a little more support.
Yeah. I felt like the bike setup is right, my speed's right, my lines are right.
You just gotta hit them all right.
Yeah.
In one run.
That's right.
Yeah. Did you do the triple at all today?
Not today. I feel really good about it. Like, it's not a hard jump to hit. I just don't want to do it unless I have to in the race run because I'm going to be fully cooked.
Yeah. Every time I go into it, I feel like it's like I don't even need to try to do it.
Yeah.
But I heard this morning that someone got absolutely, like one of the good riders got absolutely destroyed in it.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Did you hear about it too?
Yes.
Or did you see it?
Yes.
You saw it?
Yes.
Okay. So after I heard that, I was like, it's my first pro race. I'm going to get clapped by the top 10 no matter what anyways. So it's not worth it for me to do it. I want to make it to the next race.
Wanna live.
So what happened?
Well, there was someone that went down bad there and they got life flighted out. I didn't see that.
What?
Yeah. But what I did see, a dude he came into that rock section and right off the lily pad that you have to jump to like triple the rest of the rocks. He hit that lily pad but didn't like pull up at all. He just squashed it super hard to the point where like his front went off his front wheel went off the lily pad and it sent him over the bars.
Oh my god, that's horrifying.
And then he hit that fucking hole right before the landing with his front wheel.
Oh man.
Bucked the front of the bike up hard, sent his rear wheel in there, snapped it in half. He rode the rest of the rock garden on his fucking derailleur.
That is horrifying, and that's why I'm not doing it. Sitting here, killing time before seating.
I got my vibe going, bro.
Leroy's just vibing.
So, Blake,
Yes, sir.
you are going to be the first rider who has a minute gap to the back.
Okay.
Right? But you only have 30 seconds to it.
Okay, so I have a minute behind.
Yeah, behind you.
Okay.
So your start time is going to be 47.
Okay.
After him, we're going to go to 1 minute intervals.
Correct. Like moisture.
Blake, we're going about 30 seconds.
Okay.
Anytime after 5 seconds.
Sounds good. decent. Didn't feel fast.
242.4.
What?
That bike looks sick.
It feels good.
How was it?
Decent.
Yeah, decent. Did you pass somebody?
Not that I know of. How'd you do, Corey?
It was solid, bro. Like
time?
I was pinned. That was a good run. I thought it was like 237.
Damn, dude.
Like, thanks, dude. I was hoping for a little more. Like I thought I was gonna at least break 235 with that run.
Yeah,
So,
I wanted to be sub 240, but I was close.
it's gnarly to push, bro. Like that's a hard one to push.
Morning, Dusters. Got Jaker with me. It is Sunday morning, race day morning. We're headed up for our first of maybe 2 or 3 practice runs. We had seeding yesterday. I ended up 31st in my first pro seeding. Big Duster. Was not the smoothest run of my life, but it wasn't horrible. But I know the pace now and I know where I can gain some time. How'd you do, bud?
Very, very slow. I would call myself an even bigger duster than Blake. It was awful.
Yeah, well.
It didn't really matter because, you know,
Just seeding, just 2 Dusters going up to be Dusters some more. So
it's really dusty out too.
it is dusty out too. So practice laps this morning. Ooh, I don't know where this is going. Who crashed?
Titus.
No.
In those cases, the triple got knocked out. Yeah.
He said he's up and
He's awake, but he pissed himself.
yeah.
That's not good.
Tough. And he's a big boy. He's built like a brick shit.
Hurry up and wait. Interesting. Look at how long his leg looks. Oh.
Got big old long legs.
Why is your shoulder dusty over there?
This one?
Yes.
Because I've been sleeping on it.
Oh yeah. Took a dirt nap.
And a van nap. Yeah.
You're pretty beat up.
Yeah. Got 2 practice runs in today. I guess Titus went down hard in Asylum, so course was closed right there for a while, which is unfortunate. Hopefully he's okay, but it sounded not good. So I just did 2 runs this morning and now we're waiting.
Dos Sparme.
Don't know what that means.
2 runs. 2 good runs. Found some fast spots.
Leroy, is that an invitation?
It can be. I got a hole under there for you.
I'm pretty sure he ripped it off in his last run.
Dude, I did.
He came down holding himself.
Bro, I had to check multiple times for blood.
For blood. Alright, he wanted to be in the video. Alright, what's your name? How'd you do out there?
I'm Tanner Sticko, and I was on one of the best runs of my life.
Was?
And then I put it down in a rock garden and couldn't really recover from that.
No.
I was doing pretty good up until that point. I was feeling the flow.
He was feeling good, so that's all that matters. Until next time, there's his rig. Pretty sick setup. What's the next race for you?
Jimmy Peak, Eastern States Cup.
Nice.
It's Everyday's throwback. As number 15, Blake Cherubini crossing the line.
What you doing, boys?
Sword fighting?
Oh,
Trying to get the bugs off.
look at you guys. You're so helpful.
Oh, we broke it. Tough decisions.
I don't know what to do, man. Actually, this time I know exactly what to do.
Did you restart your whole order?
No.
Again?
No. No, this is accessory. Wisconsin cheese bites or mac and cheese bites?
Mac and cheese bites.
That should have been obvious. Boom boom sauce?
Bernard.
Bernard. Alright, we're gonna continue. No.
Alright guys, I'm coming at you the next day back at home. We packed up real quick yesterday after the race because we had an 8-hour drive and we wanted to get on the road as quick as possible. But weekend recap, I ended 32nd in pro. It was my first pro race on a brand new bike at a track that I've never ridden before, and I was sick the whole beginning of that week. So a lot of things going on. Wasn't at the result that I wanted necessarily, but now I know the pace. I ended the weekend with my body in one piece, my bike in one piece. So that's always good. A lot of people were getting taken out by that track. It was dry and loose out there, but I had a lot of fun on that track. It was different from what we normally are used to. This one was kind of flat, but just super rocky, really hard to hold a line, but a lot of fun. Just got done cleaning this thing off, or I guess dusting it off. Really stoked on this bike and can't wait to get even more comfortable on it and put some more laps on it before the next race. So that is it for Mountain Creek. We'll see you in the next one.